name is Devon Harris with Federal Premium Ammunition and Savage Arms. We're here today to talk about Stevens' new 555 over and under 12 gauge and 20 gauge shotgun. And I gotta tell you folks, I really like what I see. First of all, notice the balance. This gun is perfectly balanced between both hands, exactly where it needs to be. As far as features goes, it comes with 5 choke tubes, a tapered ventilated rib, a ventilated midrib, Turkish checkered walnut stock and forearm with finger groove. The stock also has a beveled recoil pad. It has a steel reinforced aluminum receiver with a mechanical single selective trigger, a tang mounted manual safety. But the greatest feature, it has easy maintenance chrome barrels. Now let's see if a shotgun with all those features and benefits for under $700 will break targets. You know what, folks? It works just fine. For new and young shooters, whether you're hunting in the field or shooting on the range, there's nothing more simple or safe than an over and under shotgun.